Cats and Kittens, Vinyl Vixen, Thrush, and Slim Sheddy.
What's up, guys?
Here at Wrapsesh. This week we are finally showcasing our level 1 wall mural reveal. We've been working on this project for the past couple of months with Glarb Designs and our favorite local hangout, Level 1 Arcade Bar.
Level 1 Arcade Bar.
In Gilbert, Arizona. If you guys are in Arizona, I highly recommend you check this place out. It's an old school arcade bar. They've got pinball, Galaga, Pac-Man, like all my favorite things.
It's pretty much the best place ever.
Yeah, that's like the gist of it. And they have the best staff ever. So we've been working with them over the past year. We've been avid customers over there, like regulars for sure.
We like games.
We like the games. They even play movies.
They do. They were playing Fast and the Furious last time we were there. They were playing Jurassic Park.
They've got costume parties once a month. It's just a really cool place. So anyways, we started working on this level 1 wall mural, and they wanted this really cool collage of all these arcade game characters, kind of like a Ready Player One vibe. So of course we had to go to Glarb because he just always kills our murals.
When it comes to walls.
He's the best at these.
And things.
Things and stuff. So we came up with this really cool, like kind of neon, futuristic yet nostalgic kind of design.
It kind of reminded me of like a Tron vibe.
It had the Incom Tower in it.
It does have Incom Tower like back in the corner, but like it just has like a grid. Like there's like a grid pattern through the whole thing.
Grid.
And it's like, it looks like the grid. Like
yeah.
It's pretty crazy.
Super cool. We also, one really focal point that they wanted in there was the Gilbert water tower, which is right in the Old Town Gilbert area. So we had like Donkey Kong
He was on the top.
It.
No, yeah, he was on the top, and then there was, who else was on? There was like Spider-Man coming off of it or something.
There was little Pac-Man.
Yeah, Pac-Man.
And just
Pac-Man were above there was Pac-Man above the boys' bathroom, and then Miss Pac-Man was above the girls' bathroom.
Yeah. Lots of really cool Easter eggs in there. So it was a really fun one for us, and it had this really cool like neon vibe. A lot of the lighting in there is like black lights or like these purple lights that look really cool. So it just totally fits the vibe. So anyways, fast forward to the install. We had to install this in the middle of closing hours, which was between 2 a.m. and 7 a.m. because we obviously couldn't wrap this whole wall while the bar was
people
running.
In there.
Yeah, so we went overnight, wrapped it up in 5 hours, slept a few hours, and then we had our wall mural reveal party, which was so much fun. We had, you know, our whole wrap squad there, and we had about 10
Some good customers there.
About 10 of our custom vehicles. So like our Space Galaxy, Guardians of the Galaxy Subaru,
Galaxy I-8,
the Cosmic I-8, Goopra, the Kruger Cat, Egyptian Feroster, a couple color changes. Like there was so many cool cars there.
A lot of people showed up, yeah.
And we had a ton of customers too. So it looked like there was like a miniature car meet. So we had all this foot traffic just from, you know, Gilbert. And it went so well. We revealed the mural, and everyone just, it was such a positive reaction.
The owners loved it, yeah.
We got to meet all the owners and hang out. We got to play some games and stuff and get a little drunky monkey. Games. Honestly, that place for me, like I'm just on cloud 9 whenever I'm there. It's like my special place, and it's so nice coming together and like celebrating our company and what we do, you know? Because we have the best customers.
Yeah.
We really do. So check it out. We hope you guys enjoy.
You're going through with your head stuck in the sand. I think of all the chances you blew. Yeah, nothing emotions running wild. I think I can breathe for the very first time. With all emotions running wild, I think I can breathe for the very.
Alright guys, so we are at my favorite hangout spot, Level 1 Arcade Bar here in Gilbert, Arizona. It is about 4 a.m. So we are doing a wall mural for them during their closed hours. So we'll probably be here for a few hours before they open. And then we're gonna do a wall mural reveal party the next afternoon. So check it out. Obviously everything's off right now. I've never seen this place this empty. But they've got really cool like old school pinball. They've got Pac-Man, one of my favorites, Galaga, Buck Hunter. And you can see over here we just got started on the wall mural. Really, really sick design from Glarb Designs. All printed on our Muto 1682 SR Eco-Solvent printer. You guys can see it's all like arcade inspired. It's gonna be really, really kick-ass.
With all emotions running wild, I think I can breathe for the very first time. With all emotions running wild, I think I can breathe for the very first time. With all emotions running wild, you mean it all, feel it all, lay it all on the
Thank you guys so much for watching our Level 1 wall mural reveal. We hope you guys enjoyed. If you want to take your walls above and beyond, Y'all can hit us up at wrapseshaz@gmail.com. Make sure to check us out on our daily fun at Facebook and Instagram and TikTok at Wrapseshaz and Vinyl Vixen Wraps. P.S. Public service announcement. We got our Wrapsesh AZ original shop Instagram account restored. The Instagram gods, they blessed us. I don't know what happened.
I don't know what we did.
It took 4 months. We gave up on trying to get it restored, and then all of a sudden it popped up and I could log in again. So that's exciting. But yeah, and make sure if you guys are in Arizona, go to level 1. Yeah. What are you doing?
You won't be
You
upset.
haven't even lived
it's
until
great.
you've gone there.
Oh yeah.
And we'll see you guys. We'll see you next week,
Later.
or we'll see you at the arcade.
At
Who knows?
level 1.
You can probably find us there. Okay, bye.
Okay, bye.